Hey folks, Caret now supports integration with QuickBooks billing, so I wanted to come show you how you could potentially use it in your QuickBooks workflows. Today, I essentially want to parse PDF bills and create corresponding bills in QuickBooks. This use case is particularly complicated because I actually am managing two different company files. So in this case, I've got PDF for a bill from Pixel Pulse Media, and that is billing to Sandbox Company 2. And I've got a second one here, Brightwave Advertising, which is billing to Sandbox Company 1. And so essentially, I want a workflow that can take any arbitrary PDF, automatically identify which company file is responsible for the bill, and then create that corresponding bill in QuickBooks from the parsed data. So in this case, I'll be transforming data. So I'll go ahead and select that intent. I'm going to link both of my Sandbox companies here. So I've got Sandbox Company 2 and Sandbox Company 1. We're not discovering any relevant data here. We'll be providing that during the workflow runs. And then the prompt is pretty simple. I will give a PDF invoice. You will create a corresponding bill in QuickBooks. I have two QuickBooks companies that I manage. You need to determine from the PDF which company file to use to create the bill. So to save some time, I've already gone ahead and created this workflow, and running it is as simple as going in and selecting a PDF. So in this case, I am going to grab Brightwave for company 1, and I'll go ahead and click run here. And that will take a minute to show up here and actually execute. And so now we can actually preview the steps of what this is doing. So we can see we're extracting data from the file I provided, and then we're using a step to actually look up the realm ID for the corresponding company file in QuickBooks. Then we're getting or creating a vendor according to the parsed data, as well as getting an account that will actually file the bill against. And then finally, once all that data is collected, we'll create the bill in QuickBooks. Okay, so that completed successfully. If we pop over to QuickBooks here, we can actually see the bill against this Brightwave advertising vendor. If we click into the bill itself, we can see all the individual line items, monthly retainer fee, the creative design services, all appropriately categorized under advertising. And once again, we are in the company 1 file here. So if I go back and run this against my second invoice, so here we've got Pixel Pulse against Sandbox Company 2. I'll go ahead and click run again, and I'll pause that while it completes. Okay, that run completed successfully. As we can see, all the steps ran. And I'll pop over to QuickBooks again. This time I'm in the Sandbox Company 2 file, and we can see Pixel Pulse Media. We have a bill here for $6,560. Once again, if we click in, we can see all the individual line items created. So thanks for checking this out.